Yeah, there's been a lot of leaks about this device. We're expecting a pretty large device actually, and new camera technology. Samsung's going to pack a lot of technology into this. We saw it with the Galaxy S8, which is their flagship device, launched earlier this year. Samsung completely redesigned the phone to bring a screen that almost took up the full front of the device. They call that the Infinity display. That's something they seem to be going ahead with. Of course, something unique to the Note series of devices is what Samsung calls the S Pen, their stylus, and that comes with all the Note devices as well. So this is going to be a very high-end phone, expecting it to be a very expensive phone as well. But let's just give
expensive. I mean, we haven't heard the price. What do you think it's going to be?
We could see a handle of around the $1,000 mark.
Oh, really?
Potentially, yeah. This is what some of the reports and leaks are suggesting as well, because there is so much technology about this. But I think it's important to put this device in context. Samsung's flagship device is the S8. The Note series really is a category that they invented, but that is sold to a group of enthusiasts, for example. So if we look at the Note 5, which was the device that really has the Note series been on sale for a while, the Note 7, of course, recalled. In the 28 month it's been on sale, it's sold about 23 million units. Compare that now to the S7, which has sold about 70 million units, and that's been on sale for 16 months. So that really is their flagship, but the Note is this very high-end, high-margin device that actually a lot of Samsung fans really enjoy. So that's really where they positioned this device.
One of the reviews is saying you've got big hands and you want a big phone, this is the phone for you basically, or if you've got small hands but want to pretend you've stolen a giant smartphone, this is still the phone for you. So it's a fairly large device and it goes into that phablet category. What are the consumer trends doing in terms of the types of devices they want?
Screens are getting bigger and consumers want bigger screens. I think what Samsung's typically done with the Note phones is they've positioned it as productivity devices. So the ability to take notes, for example, to do your work on these devices, and that's why we are expecting one of the largest screens ever on a Samsung device. For tasks such as working, doing spreadsheets, writing documents, and that becomes quite an important value proposition for Samsung when they position this phone in the market. And as screens get bigger, like I said, it could potentially be one of the biggest screens in the market. It gives it a big differentiation factor. Consumers willing to pay more.